What we do here is go back.
There's Jaden, Jake, me, Finley, Kenzie, Taylor. Taylor was supposed to beat this kid up, but he pushed it down. So yeah, we're now off to construction site. Let's do a little transition. We're down, you know, our best road. Hey! Guys, say hi! Right, we're literally over there. It's literally like all the way over there. Jake wants to say hi. And yeah, 2 seconds. Bye-bye, people. Yeah, we're at the construction site. Here's Jake, Jaden, and I can't see who that is up there. Taylor, Finley, and Kenzie. Right, now we're about to film Jaden's intro. So, we will be 2 seconds. Yeah.
Hey, that's pretty good.
To go up our ramp. The most tedious ramp ever, and I'm doing this one-handed, so I bet
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Yaga!
Make the ground shake.
Need to get air.
Guys, we're now gonna, instead of going on more ramps, we're gonna go to this dirt track in Bluebell Woods. Yeah, you can say anything.
Shut up, Hello.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Hello, you see that? You see that? Shush.
Oh, the bad language.
Forget the heat, bitch. Okay, guess we doing just fine. Said I'm not yours, so say you're not mine. Okay, just a waste of my time. Out of my head, of my mind. Say you wanna leave, so I let you go. Guessing it was me, guess I never know.
Guys, we are at Bluebell Woods. At the little dirt track. You can't really see it, but it's really good when you go around it. I'll try not to die like last time. I'll try to put that clip in anyway. Ooh, got a lump there. Ooh. Now I'm recording. I'm trying to get good footage of the track. Yaga. Ready? Then watch this. We're about to go for a little lump. I'm alright, thanks. Or, yeah, over the lump and far away. Little lump here as well. Whoa. Whee. No, do not go up that little lump there. That is really annoying. Ooh. So yeah, that's a little round of the track. And then yeah, we shall record some more in 2 seconds.
Hey.